bag has got to get me into the pink club. Pay attention, Meredith, Amelia, Nick, Gwenny. I am auditioning. I want to get into the club. I'm going to show you this unboxing and I'm going to show you all the pink bags that I've bought this year. Welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. And if it hasn't been made abundantly clear already, I am auditioning to get into the Pink Club. Now, the keys to the Pink Club are very tightly held by a conglomerate of luxury YouTubers, including Meredith from Living Lux with Meredith, Nick from Living Life Loud with Nick J. Snell, Gwenny from Styled by Gwenny, and Amelia from Amelia Rose's Closet. Obviously, there's a whole lot of other people that love pink, but these are my people that I talk to on the regular that love pink, and I want to join their club. Yes, I am the queen of the Lilac and Purple Club, but, you know, the more memberships I have, the merrier. So I'm hoping that this Fendi unboxing is going to be the one that tips them over the edge and makes it undeniable that I should be able to join. But I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you just how many pink bags that I have bought this year. Just a quick overview. So let's kick it off with the And Just Like That pink sequin baguette from Fendi. And then let's follow it up with this tiny baby pink Fendi Pico baguette. Let's follow along with this fabulous Jimmy Choo bonbon fringed delight that I wore to Living Lux with Meredith's wedding. And I do need to wear a little bit more often. Party season is coming up. It is upon us. I'm sure she's going to have her days, many days and nights in the sun and disco light. I didn't buy this one this year, but I think it counts as a pink bag. It's my blush pink mink Fendi First from Fendi. Back on track, Dale, back on track. How could we forget, and I'm counting this as pink because of just how much pink is on it, my fabulous Fendi made to order with this gorgeous orchid pink crocodile leather strap. It is divine. Look how teeny tiny this bag is. Obviously there's a lot of green here, but I'm counting it in my pink collection because she's next level. Next, I have my Prada pink raffia bag. I picked it up for Still Pre-Loved at LuxLink here in Brisbane. And this was so fabulous to use on my recent European holiday. Did you hear I've been to Europe? Have I mentioned it? I don't think I have. I don't know. But I'm going to do a review on this bag because a lot of people have asked me, is it good? I love it. Short answer, but I will do a review. Just before I went on holidays, I could not resist in purchasing Fendi's Petite Peekaboo in Galusha. This fuchsia Galusha beauty, it is unbelievable. This is a real like feather in Fendi's cap as far as I'm concerned. How they do Galusha or Stingray is just so beautiful. So yes, this one was like a I can't miss out piece. Obviously not a bag, but I did pick up this fabulous strap when I was in London. If you haven't seen my London unboxing, I'll link my travel playlist with all my unboxings here somewhere. But I bought this strap because I thought it would look great with my Galusha, and it does. But it doesn't end there. This one, I'm going to have to say, has to be the last pink bag that I buy this year. It has to be, because I think that was like 7 this year, 8 with the mink, and now this one. Like, what is going on? I think if I'm correct, pink or this kind of fuchsia color or magenta maybe was like the Panettone color of the year. Anyway, if it is, I'll pop it up over here somewhere, but I'm pretty sure that was the case, and I thought that that might help me in terms of, you know, getting on the pink train a little bit more. In my early days, I think I mentioned in my Barbiecore video, which I'll link up here somewhere, I used to have a lot of pink. It was pretty much a neutral for me, and then I kind of went away from it. So it's nice to revisit my roots. Let's get to the unboxing. You've been very, very patient. Okay. You probably know that this is in a Fendi box. It's current season and there are a lot of beautiful fuchsia pieces. This is not one I picked up overseas. And the reason for this is because you might have remembered me mentioning pre-ordering a cardigan from the fall winter collection, this beautiful blue cardigan. I got it just before I went away. I was so excited, I wanted to wear it. The fitting on it was very ill on me, like I'd ordered the wrong size. It was too big, but I thought it was too heavy. It was too wintry, wasn't transseasonal enough for me here in the subtropics of Queensland. And so I sent it back, and I've had a credit waiting at Fendi for me since then, which was back in August. So whilst I was away, I looked at lots of things, and knowing that I had that substantial credit waiting for me when I got back, I had a strategy. So let's see what I got. I did try this on in one of my vlogs, and I will insert the mod shots after I've revealed my latest piece from Fendi, what I believe to be my ticket into the pink club. It is the fuchsia mini baguette in Napa leather, super boutique fresh, which I love. Even the strap on it is all still wrapped up. But this I already have obviously the sequins, and I looked at the mini sequins and I'm just like, no, I've got my lilac mini sequins. Just a minute, I'll get that for you. So I had this one with me, and I put the two of them together, and I was like, no, this one is the one that I will choose all the time. So it was easy to exclude the pink sequin mini. But when I think about how much I love my lilac Napa baguette, it made me really think about when is the last time I saw a leather mini Napa baguette in a colour I loved. I don't know, probably the last time was this, because minis don't come out very regularly, especially in this gorgeous debossed FF Napa leather. And so what I learned from buying this one when I did was, and even then I was a little late to the party, was that I should jump on this one. And this pretty much is a neutral. This takes, and I'll pop my mod shots in here now so you can see me trying it on with like a floral dress. This colour, it goes with everything in my wardrobe, so it is a smart purchase from that perspective. Did I need another pink bag in this colour when I have the Galusha Peekaboo, and I have this, and I have the Jimmy Choo, and I have the Sequin Fendi? Debatable. Do I need any of them? No. But I love the mini baguette. It's my favourite size. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 mini baguettes. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, and you know what? The other thing with this one is, and this is what I love about the Fendi-licious vibes, is that just like I have with my Fox Fendi First, hold on, let me show you. Here it is. I have taken the crossbody strap from my sequin mini baguette and put it on this Fendi First, because the Fendi Firsts only come with quite a short strap. So now I can wear this crossbody. The beauty of this strap is I can do the same with my mink Fendi First. I can do this with my baguette. I can also take my new strap and put it on this one to make it more of a substantial crossbody moment. I can interchange them all, and I have so many more options, which is such... These straps are expensive, yes, but so what? I love them. They add a lot of dimension to the way that you style the pieces, and depending on what kind of look you're going for, this bag can go from a beautiful evening clutch, it can go from a shoulder bag moment, a casual crossbody, or even more casual crossbody with this thicker strap. It can go over coats and dresses and jeans and just casual shorts and a tee. Like, it can do a lot of things. So for me, I think it's well worth it. I've showed you a lot in this video in the last 11 minutes and 58 seconds, but ultimately it's all about this beauty. If you are considering your first Fendi piece, I give everyone the same advice. the mini baguette. It's iconic to Fendi. It's probably the most wearable piece in terms of crossbody, top handle, on the shoulder, plus all of the handles are removable, so you can even wear it as a clutch if you like. And then on the inside it has a couple of card slots. It has a fabric interior, so it is pretty light and malleable. This to me is a fabulous contender against Chanel's Mini Rectangular. In fact, I don't have any Chanel Minis anymore because I prefer these. Plus they're probably about half the price of a Chanel Mini Rectangular as well, but they've got way more personality in my opinion. Just my opinion. I know there's a lot of people who love the Chanel Minis, and that's fine. I love them too, but I love these more. And you know, I think these are so much more customizable and wearable for all occasions than what the Mini is. Just my 2 bobs worth. Anyway, let me know what you think of my A, fabulous pink collection, B, my audition to enter the pink club, and C, my fabulous new mini Fendi baguette. Now, while we're together, just quickly, let's get this sticker off so that we can start wearing it. Oh. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see some of my travel vlogs and unboxings from the last month or so, then make sure that you check out my Travel 2023 playlist. I'll link some favourites in the description box below that you might want to check out as well. But consider subscribing. I'd love to see you come back for more. Until then, ciao. There's a PS. A bunch of my fabulous friends on YouTube have also purchased items in this colour from this collection. Claire Louise Luxe, Lisa from Luxury and Life in the Middle, Claire's from the UK, Lisa's from New York City. Then we have Amelia Rose from Ireland, of course you know. And then, following Amelia, we have the fabulous Hannah from So Much Design with Hannah. I'll link all their channels in the description box below. Go and check out their unboxings of the magnificent fuchsia pieces.